Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to crochet a bow which you can add to your hats or to your cards or to any crafts you feel like. Take the yarn and make a slip knot with it. Insert the hook in it and then do chain 12. Now half double crochet in the second chain from the hook. Then half double crochet in the next 4 chains. Then chain 1 and skip the next chain and half double crochet in the next 5 chains. Turn your work and chain 1. In the first 2 stitches, half double crochet 2 together. This is a decreasing stitch. Then half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then chain 1 and skip the next stitch, followed by half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. In the next 2 stitches, do half double crochet 2 together. Turn your work and chain 1. Again half double crochet 2 stitches together. Again half double crochets in the next 2 stitches. Then chain 1 and skip the next stitch and half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And finally half double crochet 2 stitches together and end this row. Turn your work and chain 1. Now the next 2 rows, that is the last 2 rows, will be the increasing rows. We begin with 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, then half double crochets in the next 2 stitches, chain 1, skip the stitch and 2 half double crochets each in the next 2 stitches. And finally in the last stitch perform 2 half double crochets. Turn your work and chain 1. 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, half double crochets in the next 3 stitches, chain 1, skip the next stitch and 3 half double crochets in the next 3 stitches. and finally 2 half double crochet in the last stitch. So this was the end, and then we will chain 1. Now turn your work and single crochet throughout the entire border. End the border with a slip stitch, chain 1 and then cut the yarn. Now close the bow as shown and then tie yarn around it in order to form the bow. So finally, our cute bow is ready to be used in our hats or bags or keyrings. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, then please hit the like button below and comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel in order to get